Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've done these little 3D eyes that were kind of like the candy ball flowers, if you remember them. They weren't so long ago. And this is what they look like on nails. So begin the same way as you would with doing the candy flower balls. So you just get a small bead of black on the end of something pointy. Now don't use a dotting tool because you won't be able to get this off. And then I'm dipping it into a hard gel to give it a clear layer. And popping in the lamp to cure. So now that I'm happy with that, I'm going to go in and do the colour of my eyeball, and to do this I am using a blue gel polish and just brushing it on. So you will need a few coats of this to bulk it out. So I'm going to go in with my second coat and just paint over what I painted already. So I'm just tidying up a little bit of the blue to make it better so that it's more of a circular shape. And I popped it in the lamp, and now I'm going back in with the clear layer again. And you just keep twisting your brush to make this all smooth and round. So just keep spinning it round until you're happy with the shape of it, and pop it in the lamp to cure. So now I'm going to go in with the whites of the eye, and I'm doing this by using gel polish again. So just brushing it on, and again you'll need a few coats of this. So I'm happy with how that's looking, and I'm going to take some red gel polish now and just paint on the veins in the eyes. Now I am out of shot here, so I apologise for that, but basically I'm just doing squiggly little lines around the white area, and then I'll pop it in the lamp to cure again. So this is how it looks, and once popped in the lamp to cure, I will pop it back into the hard gel and spin my brush again until I've got a good shape, and then pop it in the lamp to cure again. So now I'm happy with the shape and size of my eye. I'm just going to go in with my top coat and give it a layer of this and pop it back in the lamp to cure. So now it's time to take it off this, and I'm just going to twist it round and it should come off easily, just like that. So this isn't really bulky, but you can go in with your E-file and just flatten the back of it so it sits flush to the nail when you put it on. which is what I'm doing here. So I do add a white dot to the centre, well, near the centre of this, the black area of the eye here, but I'm not videoed that, so I apologise. But this is me going in now and doing the same thing, but making a smaller eyeball this time. So it's just the same process again. Just doing each layer one at a time, curing in the lamp, and then changing your colour to the colour of the eye, and then the whites of the eye. So I will let you watch that. Oh yeah, and because this is a smaller eye, I do use backing foam paper to put some gel polish on, and I go in with a small brush because you can't actually get around the area with a brush from the gel polish. So this is how this one looks, and it's got the wee white dot in the centre of the eye. So I'm just twisting off again and coming in with my e-file to flatten off the back. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, guys. I hope you do some of these eyes and use them on your nails because they look quite good. Thank you very much for watching. Bye just now.